Hi again, how are you? Today we are going to draw this beautiful house with 2-point perspective. In 2-point perspective. First we draw the horizon line and 2 points at the sides of the paper, and they will be our vanishing points. All horizontal lines that goes away from us, that one goes to the right, goes to that vanishing point, and the others to the other vanishing point, as you can see in the video. 2 points perspective may be something difficult at first if you compare with 1 point perspective drawing, but it is not too hard to learn, even maybe easier. To learn where the center or the roof is, I make a cross and a vertical line. Remember, all vertical lines in this kind of perspective remain vertical. Okay. Now this part of the roof, and we almost have the blocks and the rough sketch of our house. So let's begin drawing some details to make it more realistic. And every time you need, use the help of a ruler, because it is very useful in perspective drawing. But if you wish to make a very artistic drawing, a very painterly, we can say, drawing, use the rule only when you need, only when it's almost you can draw in any other way. Okay, draw freehand every time you can, so lines will be more organic and appear more dramatic and more artistic your drawings. Okay. Boots and shadows, a window, if you wish I make more perspective drawings, you know, in the channel there are a few videos, but if you wish more, please tell me at the comment lines. As you can see, the video is accelerated exactly twice the time. So if you wish to see it in real time, with the options of YouTube player, you can put it at 0.5 to see it slower. But I advise you, it's better to turn off audio because it is slowest too, so the sound sounds weird. Okay, now other, but not in the center, more in the side, I think. Perfect. If you're wondering, this mechanical pencil is with I use with a 2B lead. Okay, all this drawing is made with this mechanical pencil and this lead. You may use other pencils. If you don't have a mechanical pencil, it is the same, use what you have. Every 2B pencil will be perfect to do this drawing. Okay, if you like these drawings and want to see more, remember I upload videos every Monday. If you wish, you may subscribe, or if not, come back every Monday to see more videos. And if you like it, smash the like button. And now, as all the rest of the video is very visual, I let you see it and draw it with me at your own pace. Be very happy, draw a lot, and see you next Monday. Bye!